All right. And I think your client was previously sitting on the front row.
Uh,
Is that correct?
Yeah, but I had yes, ma'am. I had moved because you said if you was late, but I wasn't late.
All right. So people, let me explain to everybody what late is in the 187. Late is if you're not in your seat by 9 a.m. And I don't ask anybody to do what I wouldn't do, although my situation is different from people who are.
Because being on time means being ready to shape someone's future. When a defense attorney walks in late, the judge doesn't mince words. You're not the one going to jail. Your client is. Now the plea deadline is gone. The charge? A third-degree felony.
Accused. But I'm always here at 8:30. And you know why I'm here at 8:30? Because I want to be on time for 9. And sometimes at 8:30, you just need to get your thoughts together because you thought you were going to be retired and you're not. So you have to get in the mind frame to you not being retired. And this is what defense attorneys tell me when they see me. And sometimes I'm not here at 8:30 and I'm rushing. You know what they tell me? They're like, Judge, you don't have to be on time. Everybody's here for you. And Mr. Cox will tell you, defense attorneys, you know what judges would tell them? You don't need to be on time. It's your client who needs to be on time because you're not going to jail. Your client will. And every attorney will tell you one of the rules we learned in law school, you know what it was? Make sure that you, as a defense attorney, don't end up going to jail. So there we go. So you cannot be late for this court anymore. Now, the plea deadline date was on January 29th. Your client wasn't present, so we recalled it for today. So where are we on the plea? Or do we want a jury trial?
I think we're going to have to set it for jury trial.
All right.
I'll confer. You say until the end of the day, right?
All right. If you all want to confer.
Okay.
All right.
I'll confer.
All right. I'll hold this. You all confer. You're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
After reviewing,
the judge finds him guilty. Now it's time for sentencing. He says he wants a change, but when he calls meth use recreational, the judge isn't buying it. Be honest with me, or I'll send you out without treatment and you'll be right back.
States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, my client made some mistakes, but he's hoping to prove himself if you go through with this plea bargain so that he can become a viable member of our society and not have any further problems.
All right. And what happened with the stolen vehicle that's listed in the police report?
He wasn't charged with that, Judge.
Okay. All right. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
7, 12, and 15.
When's the last time you had contact with them before being taken into custody?
Since I've been incarcerated.
All right. And how long has that been?
Like 4.5 months.
All right. When's the last time you had employment before being arrested?
So I was employed.
Doing what?
Construction.
How often are you using drugs before taken into custody?
Just recreational. Like
people usually don't do meth recreationally. So how long were you using drugs? And let me just tell you, I'm asking you these questions so I can give you conditions that will help you be successful. If you're dishonest with me, I'm going to go by whatever you tell me, even though I may know it's dishonest. And guess what? I will send you out into the world without any treatment. You will test positive for drugs and you will come back to me and you will say on your motion to revoke, I have a drug problem, but I'm going to write down on this docket sheet whatever you tell me. So how often have you been using meth before you were taken into custody?
Like years? As in years?
No, I mean, how often per week? How often per day?
Like 3-4 times a week.
And if you're released today, do you have a place to live?
Yes.
Who would you be living with?
My family, my parents.
Do they want you there?
Yeah, it's my house too.
No, I mean, people will say with my parents, but they never ask. They just assume that parents will accept them.
Saying that, yes.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 5 years in prison, suspended and probated for 5 years. You can go off the record. Is there any gang issues with you?
No.
All right. And I'm sorry, probation, could you do a gang evaluation as well? All right. In this courtroom, communication is key, especially when you're on probation. If there's an issue you're having, contact probation. If you relapse, contact probation.
Then, a lighter moment, a defendant prays for always being on time. The state asks for more time. The plea deadline is reset to February 13 to teach out a few laughs about Valentine's Day, but the message stays the same. Show up. Stay ready. Don't wait until it's too late.
Not disappear. If you feel as though probation is not addressing your issue, you can always come back to court. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, Mr. Finney.
Good morning.
Good morning. You're always on time and you always dress appropriately. I appreciate that. Even when attorneys are not on time, you are.
What's that saying? He may not come when you want him. He's always right on time.
Yeah, but you know, that's not for mere human beings. All right. So today the state was supposed to make an offer.
So, Your Honor, yes, two small updates for you. State did tender an offer, and defense provided some new information to the state that we would love to follow up on with our complainants, just in the course of due diligence. So the state would respectfully request if we may have maybe a week or two to follow up on some of the new information that defense counsel provided today.
All right. We're going to recall you. Your plea deadline date is going to be February 13th.
Awesome.
I'll give you a reset
Right
form.
before Valentine's Day.
Well, as if you've made plans. I know your wife has made plans, but you have
I
not.
always make plans, Judge.
It doesn't count if they're late
No,
and they're not thought out. If it's last minute.
when I asked my wife to marry me, I made plans already.
Right.
I made future plans.
Mm-hmm.
They were already in play.
Mm-hmm. But did you wait at the last minute? I think so.
No, matter of fact, I've already, not just for my wife, for all my kids, I've already gotten huge Valentine cards and stuff. So I'm gonna drive up to my daughter in college. I'm gonna drive up and give her hers.
Okay, it is so hard to believe that she's already in college. Time has moved so
Second
quickly.
year of college.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you getting older, Judge.
No, I'm not. I am not. Well, you know what? Thank you.
Yeah.
You know what? It's okay to get old as long as you don't look older. So,
No, that's right.
but and no health issues catch up with you. So, but I appreciate that. See, he has no clue.
February 13th. Okay.
Yes, once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.